Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your aerial adventures to new heights? I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the DJI Mini 3 drone. First of all, let me tell you, this little guy is a game changer. And the best part? You don't need any special permits or licenses to fly it for recreational purposes, making it perfect for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about what makes the DJI Mini 3 so special. One of my favorite features is its ability to shoot 4K UHD video in HDR. That means you'll get crystal clear images with incredible detail, both in bright sunlight and at night. But what really sets it apart is its dual native ISO fusion technology, which helps capture stunning shots in highlights and shadows. For example, imagine capturing a sweeping shot of the city skyline or a majestic waterfall. With true vertical shooting, you can easily get those iconic vertical angles that will make your videos stand out on social media. Just point the drone at what you want to shoot, and it'll do the rest. Another standout feature is its extended battery life. DJI's Intelligent Flight Battery Plus gives you an extra 51 minutes of flight time, with some caveats. We'll get to that in a sec. Which means you can capture more stunning footage without worrying about running out of juice. But what really impressed me was how well the Mini 3 handled windy conditions. With its level 5 wind-resistant capabilities and 3-axis gimbal, it's like having a pro-grade camera on board. You'll get smooth, stabilized footage even in gusty weather, perfect for capturing those thrilling aerial shots. And then there's its HD video transmission range, up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, of clear, interference-free signal. That means you can fly freely and capture stunning footage without worrying about losing your connection mid-flight. But here's the thing. This drone is designed with beginners in mind. GPS return to home, RTH, precise hovering, auto takeoff/landing. It's all there to help you feel confident and in control as you take to the skies. And let me tell you, it's also incredibly easy to transfer files from your phone using quick transfer via Wi-Fi. Just pair the drone with your device, turn on the Wi-Fi download, and voila, your photos and videos are transferred in no time. But wait, there's more. The DJI Mini 3 comes with a range of creative features that'll help you take your aerial game to the next level. Quick shots let you choose from pre-programmed flight patterns or capture stunning panoramic views. It's like having an army of pro drone pilots at your fingertips. Now, I know some of these specs might seem intimidating if you're not familiar with drone tech. But trust me, once you get a handle on the Mini 3's features, you'll be flying like a pro in no time. So, should you get your hands on this amazing little drone? Well, I've got some great news for you. It's available now at an unbeatable price. Head over to link below and check out what DJI has to offer. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Happy flying, everyone.